The 2025 Aprilia RS 660 factory is a true game-changer in the middleweight sport bike segment, pushing the boundaries of performance, technology, and design. At Autosperience, we bring you the most detailed and exciting insights into the world of high-performance motorcycles, and today, we're diving deep into what makes this machine stand out. Aprilia has always been known for its racing pedigree, and the RS 660 factory is a perfect example of that DNA trickling down into a road-legal machine. The first thing that grabs attention is its aggressive and aerodynamic styling, now enhanced with MotoGP-inspired winglets integrated into the fairing. These not only make the bike look stunning but also improve stability at high speeds. The dark banshee color scheme, with a mix of black and red, gives it a bold and premium appeal that demands attention on the road. Powering the RS 660 factory is an upgraded 660cc parallel twin engine that now produces an impressive 105 horsepower. This is a significant boost over its predecessor, making it one of the most powerful bikes in its class. Aprilia has also tweaked the EQ and exhaust system, refining the power delivery to be even more responsive and thrilling. Whether you're tearing up the track or enjoying spirited rides on twisty roads, this bike delivers an exhilarating experience. One of the biggest upgrades in the 2025 RS 660 factory is its suspension setup. It now comes with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, featuring a 43mm NX30 front fork and an STX46 rear shock with an integrated reservoir. This high-end suspension system allows riders to fine-tune their setup for maximum control and comfort, making the bike feel planted even in the most demanding riding conditions. Coupled with its lightweight 403-pound, 183 kilograms chassis, the handling is razor-sharp, giving riders the confidence to push their limits. Technology has always been a strong point for Aprilia, and this bike takes it to the next level. The new 5-inch TFT display is not only larger but also comes with improved backlit handlebar controls, making it easier to navigate through settings even in low-light conditions. The RS 660 factory is also loaded with cutting-edge electronics, including an adjustable traction control system, wheelie control, cruise control, a quickshifter, up/down, multiple riding modes, and cornering ABS. One of the most exciting new features is launch control, allowing riders to experience the thrill of an instant and precise acceleration off the line. Aprilia has also worked on improving aerodynamics, ensuring that the RS 660 factory remains stable even at top speeds. The revised bodywork not only enhances airflow but also contributes to better cooling, ensuring the engine runs optimally even under extreme conditions. These small but effective improvements make a huge difference when riding aggressively, whether on the street or track. At Autosperience, we're always on the lookout for bikes that deliver both excitement and performance, and the 2025 Aprilia RS 660 factory checks all the boxes. With its increased power, race-ready suspension, and advanced electronics, this bike is built for riders who crave adrenaline and precision. Whether you're a track enthusiast or someone who loves carving corners on scenic roads, this bike is engineered to deliver a premium and unforgettable experience. If you love high-performance motorcycles, don't forget to subscribe to Autosperience for more in-depth reviews, ride experiences, and expert insights into the latest and greatest machines in the world of motorcycling. Stay tuned for our full ride review, where we take the RS 660 factory to its limits and see just how much of a beast it really is.